Like, why do you keep fucking talking to him?
Yeah, I said to him, who's that guy? That guy was like coughing Evanati everything. Because he went to the bar, he was like, yo, Melissa, whatever Michael wants, make it, put it on the house.
Slut in the corner, or whatever it's called. Slut in a...
In the
what's
drawer?
it called? Slut in the drawer? No, slut in the...
Cabinet?
Slut in the cup? Slut in something. She's on Jeff Lewis's show, she said.
St. Anna, City of Orange. Hi, young lady. St. Anna, City of Orange, Tustin, Irvine, Orange County Sheriff, Costa Mesa, Santa Ana.
How about us?
Yeah, Orange County Sheriff. You didn't even stop.
Oh,
Jesus.
wait a minute. Yep.
Yes! Oh my God!
Yep.
You stupid! Oh my gosh!
Karma.
That sucks. That's why I got pulled over for once. You
Wow.
suck. I knew. Oh my God. Wow.
That's it.
That was great.
Like I was thinking back to when I was in AP Science, AP Biology. Mrs. Rayford invited everyone over to her house and gave us that famous garlic bread that I keep mentioning because I can't stop thinking about it, and lasagna and spaghetti and all sorts of other. She loved Italian food. I don't know if she's of Italian origin, but she cooked it well. I don't know. That would be illegal, apparently, in the state of Iowa, because we were in high school. Technically, you are teaching, what was it?
in Mamaroneck and New Rochelle. That work is being cleared at this moment. Done with the work in Queens on the Van Wyck Expressway. The construction work on the Long Island Expressway was there all morning long. That's eastbound at Springfield Boulevard. Still there. The ramp to Springfield Boulevard is closed, but looks like they're about to reopen that right lane, but now that is still shut. We're good on the Grand Central Parkway. They picked up that construction, and here's what we see on Long Island's Big Three. All is well. Slight build-up on the LIE through Nassau County into Southwest Bay Road and again into Glen Cove Road, but looking good on the Northern State and the Southern State Parkway. And here's what you need to know about the bridges and tunnels. Oh, yeah, it's quiet both ways, both levels at the George Washington Bridge. No trouble there. Lincoln moving along nicely, 5 to 10 minute ride each way. The Holland's closed outbound until 5:30 and inbound. Things look good. I'm Jeff Jensen. Our next report, 451, 1010 wins on 92.3 FM.
Teachers will not have to compete with cell phones in the classroom next year.
Governor Hochul says the days of using your phone in between classes is soon going to end. Come September, there'll be a cell phone ban.
One student even said, "You got to save us from ourselves. We have to stop."
Parents had a lot to say about it. Francis is on board.
They can focus on schoolwork.
But James Murrow thinks there needs to be more of a middle ground.
Maybe dumb phones in school, like flip phones, like when we were in high school.
7-year-old Anthony doesn't have a phone just yet, but he does think it's a good idea that phones are being banned.
Well, school, you don't really bring them there, so you shouldn't bring them there. That's why I know.
Lawmakers up in Albany expect to finalize a vote later this week.
No wonder you got rear-ended, you asshole. Another Chevy.
How do you know it got rear-ended?
Look at the dent in his rear end. I mean, it's right there on the passenger side. I think it's a her.
Oh, wow.
Wow,
He was
right
in
in
front of
front
a
of
cop. Ha,
Wow.
ha, ha, ha. And he's pulling him over. Yes. Works for me. Ha, 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 ha.
Yes.
Sorry, this guy has just been about a quarter of an inch off my bumper here for the past 20 miles. I've had enough of that. Let me stop here. I'm gonna see if we have like no driving. fella in front of you, or?
No.
No, okay, no, that's what I was just saying. I wanted to get him behind you because I wanted to pull him.
Oh, okay.